Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering 500 g peeled shrimp, 1 egg, 100 g plain breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp paprika, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix the egg, corn flour, and lemon into a thick batter and season with salt and paprika. Pat shrimp dry and align 5 to 7 medium shrimp per stick on 10 wooden skewers, leaving about 3.5 inches of exposed skewer for a safe handle. Chill the shrimp lollies in the fridge for 15 minutes to firm the batter and reduce splatter when cooking. Set up a 3-station line. 50 g plain flour with 1 tsp salt, a bowl with 1 beaten egg, and a second bowl with 100 g breadcrumbs mixed with 1 tsp dried parsley. Dredge each chilled shrimp lolly in flour, tap off excess, dip fully in egg, then press into breadcrumbs, turning to coat all sides. If you want extra crunch, repeat the egg and breadcrumb step for a thicker crust. Work in batches of 4 to avoid crowding. Preheat oil to 180 degrees C for frying, or an oven to 200 degrees C if baking. For deep frying, heat oil to 180 degrees C and fry shrimp lollies for 2.5 to 3 minutes, turning once, until golden and the internal texture is opaque. Allow drained lollies to rest on paper towels for 2 minutes. For baking, arrange on a tray, spray with oil and bake at 200 degrees C for 12 to 14 minutes until crisp. Serve immediately with a 25% spicy mayo mix or sweet chili sauce. Garnish with lemon wedges. Refrigerate leftovers up to 48 hours in an airtight container and reheat at 100.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.